Ever needed to submit a document urgently, but it's on paper, no scanner, no laptop, and have a very little time? No worries, your Android phone can do everything. You can quickly scan and turn your documents into PDFs using a free app called SysTweak PDF Editor and Scanner. The best part, it works completely offline, doesn't need the internet, no signups, and you don't have to upload your files. Now let's see how to use this app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and download SysTweak PDF Editor and Scanner app by SysTweak Software on your phone. Open the app and just tap on Scan for PDF. Choose Document Scan and point the camera at the document. The app will automatically capture and scan the page. To scan multiple pages, tap the plus button and scan as many documents as you need. You can crop or rotate pages, apply filters, remove unwanted marks, retake a page, or delete it, all in just a few taps. Once everything looks perfect, give your file a name and save it as a PDF. Not just that, if you already have images on your phone, just select them from your gallery and convert them into one PDF. For more in-depth tutorials, we have a complete series on this tool. Check out the playlist. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tips like this.